Hello friends, this is Tomo. Today I will show you how to make an origami snake. To make an origami snake, we need the dual colored origami paper, a pen, and a toothpick. So let's fold an origami snake. In the beginning, keep the white side up and pick up one corner, any corner is fine, and match the corner on the other side. Let's match them nice and close and hold them on the table and use the other hand and crease the edge from center to outside. And make a triangle and open the triangle and pick up one corner on the center line and match the corner on the other side. Hold the corners on the table and use the other hand and slide your fingers on the edge and make another triangle. Open the paper. Now you will see a shape of X mark right here. This time pick up one corner and match the corner on the center of the X mark right here. And crease the edge and make a small colored triangle. And we are going to do exactly same thing on the other side. So pick up this corner and match the corner right next to the corner, right next to this corner. And crease the edge. And you will see two colored triangles and two white squares. Now this time we are going to match this edge on the center line. And when you do this, you have to be careful just a little bit because this colored triangle is very slippery. So use your two fingers and hold the colored triangle on and match this edge on the center line like this and do the same thing on the other side. So turn this around, use your two fingers to hold the colored triangle and match the edge on the center line like this. And we are going to match these two edges on the center line using the exactly same scale you used earlier. And turn this all around and do the same thing like this. And when you're done, you will see this slim piece. Let me fix it a little bit. Okay, after this, we are going to open the old paper and you will see one horizontal wrinkle and 15 vertical wrinkles. Now, this time I want you to pay attention on the corner right here. And can you find this small triangle right here? I want you to fold this triangle on the first wrinkle right here and match this corner on the second wrinkle right here and do the same thing on the other side. So when you're done, you will see a shape like this. And turn this over, and this time we are going to use this first and the last wrinkles and fold this edge on the wrinkle right here and so as the other side like this. And turn this over, and we are going to do exactly same thing here and here and turn this over. And we are going to do same thing again. And I want you to repeat exactly same actions until you're going to see 8 white squares. Turn this over and do the same thing here and here. Okay, here is the last time. Turn this over and fold it here and here. See, now when you're done, you will see 8 white squares. Can you see it? 8 white squares. After this, turn this over and use the center line right here and fold everything in half. Now you will see lots of zigzags. Okay. After this time I want you to hold the third white triangles from the edge, and now look at the origami from this angle. Now you can see many layers, and I want you to put your finger into the very center one, starting from this corner right here, and open these layers as wide as you can and close this pocket right here like this, and pinch the bottom edge here and the other side here. Now keep this side up, and this time I want you to match this top corner and match this top corner on the center of the white square right here. And then we are going to mountain fold this corner just a little bit. After this, we are going to mountain fold this center line like this. And this time, I want you to use your left hand and hold the corner right here, and hold this colored part on the top and slide this part out. And this time I want you to match this corner on the line right here like this. And now you can see a snake head, and after this, fold this corner up just a little bit, and we're going to make a snake eye and do the same thing on the other side. Okay, after this time I want you to keep this side up, and I want you to match this edge, and so as the other side. Together there are several layers, and I want you to fold everything at once like this, and let this part stand up like this. Now we are going to use a toothpick and roll this tail part around the toothpick like this, and make the snake tail curly. And when you're done, I want you to roll this snake body part around the snake neck many times until you're going to see only the snake head, snake neck, and the snake tail like this. And we are going to stretch the whole body part, and tada, you just made the snake. And also you can use a pen and draw a bar as a snake eye right here, and so as the other side. Well done, everyone. You just made a snake origami. See you next time.